Hello. Welcome. Today we will practice English using the shadowing technique. First, you listen. Then you repeat 1 or 2 seconds later. You don't wait until the sentence finishes. You don't repeat word by word. You follow my voice with a short delay, like an echo. If you miss a word, keep going. Don't stop the video. Mistakes are normal. Relax your face. Relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly. Focus on sound, rhythm, and flow, not perfection. Let's begin. I am here now. I am present. I am ready to practice. My body feels calm. My breathing is slow. My mind is open. I allow myself to learn. I allow myself to make mistakes. This is how progress happens. I don't rush. I don't compare. I move at my own pace. I wake up in the morning and stay still for a moment. I don't move immediately. I listen to the sounds around me. I hear birds. I hear traffic. I hear silence. I stretch my arms slowly. I stretch my legs gently. I take a deep breath. Then I get out of bed. I open the curtains. Light fills the room. The day begins. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face. Cold water wakes me up. I look at myself in the mirror. I look tired, but ready. I brush my teeth. I fix my hair. I feel more awake. I go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast. Sometimes I eat quickly. Sometimes I eat slowly. It depends on the day. I might make eggs. I might eat fruit. I might just drink tea. While I eat, I think about my plans. What do I need to do today? What is important? I remind myself to stay calm. I don't need to do everything at once. One thing is enough. After breakfast, I start my day. Sometimes I leave the house. Sometimes I stay home. If I leave the house, I lock the door. I walk down the street. I watch people pass by. Some people look busy. Some people look tired. Some people look relaxed. Everyone has a story. Everyone is going somewhere. If I stay at home, I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I prepare to work or study. I organize my space. I clean my desk. I remove distractions. Then I begin. Some days I feel productive. I finish tasks easily. Time passes quickly. Other days I feel slow. I feel distracted. I feel tired. Both types of days are normal. Both are part of life. Both are okay. I don't judge myself too harshly. I do what I can. During the day, I communicate with people. I send messages. I read emails. I listen carefully when people speak. I don't interrupt. I try to understand their meaning. If I don't understand something, I ask. I say, "Can you repeat that?" Or, "Can you explain it again?" Asking questions helps me learn. It helps communication. Sometimes conversations are easy. Words come naturally. I feel confident. Sometimes conversations are difficult. I search for words. I pause. When that happens, I stay calm. I slow down. I speak simply. Simple English works. Clear English works. I don't need long sentences. I don't need difficult words. I need clarity. I need confidence. People listen to meaning, not grammar. At some point, I feel tired. My energy drops. My focus becomes weak. When that happens, I take a break. I stand up. I stretch. I walk around. I drink water. I breathe deeply. After a short break, I feel better. I return to my work. I continue. In the afternoon, time feels different. The day slows down. My energy changes. I try to stay focused. I try to stay patient. If I make mistakes, I correct them. If I feel stuck, I pause. I remind myself that progress is not linear. Yesterday, something unexpected happened. I planned to stay home. I wanted to rest. I felt tired. But then I received a message. Someone invited me to go out. I was unsure. At first, I wanted to say no. I felt comfortable at home. I didn't want to move. Then I thought about it again. I decided to go. I wanted a change. We met outside. The weather was cool. The air felt fresh. We walked slowly. We talked about simple things. Life, work, plans. We laughed. We shared stories. Time passed quickly. When I returned home, I felt lighter. I felt happy. I was glad I went. This reminded me of something important. Comfort feels good, but growth needs effort. Trying something new is uncomfortable, but it helps us grow. Learning English is similar. At first, speaking feels hard. Listening feels difficult. But with time, things change. Sounds become clearer. Words become familiar. Confidence grows. Some days, progress feels fast. Some days, it feels slow. Even on slow days, learning happens. Your brain is working. Your ear is training. Your voice is improving. Consistency matters more than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Habit stays. 5 minutes every day matters. 10 minutes matters. Today matters. I don't compare myself with others. Everyone learns differently. I compare myself with yesterday. Am I calmer? Am I more confident? That is enough. I don't need perfect pronunciation. I don't need perfect grammar. I need communication. I need expression. My English is part of me, and that is okay. Now, stay with me. Listen first, then repeat with a short delay. Don't pause. Don't stop. Every day I practice, even when I feel tired. Practice builds habit. Habit builds confidence. My listening improves. My speaking flows better. I hesitate less. I speak more freely. I am patient with myself. Learning takes time. This is not a race. This is a journey. I am moving forward, step by step. You are doing well. If this feels challenging, that is good. Challenge creates growth. You showed up today. You practiced. That matters. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Come back again. Practice again. And keep going. See you next time.